Here we are at Contra Costa Power Sports, and today we have our 2004 Yamaha R1 superbike. Beautiful metallic blue racing color scheme. These R1 just arrived with only 28,000 miles on the odometer. This one won't be here long, only $69.99 for this awesome Yamaha superbike. Come on by, make your superbike dreams come true. We have financing, no warranty available. This bike is running beautifully. Come on by and check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Power Sports.